dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. Welcome to the new subscribers. Welcome to the people that are just tuning in because of the title. So as you know, everybody is in quarantine and the nail salons are closed, you guys. They are closed. So what are we to do for the girls that already have their nails done, who have no option? This may be an option for you. So I have my nails done and I have been getting my nails done for forever straight, like no breaks, nothing. I mean, my real nails are probably shot, but at least my nails look cute. So since I can't go to the nail salon, I do not want to pop off my nails. So I have decided to fill my nails myself, and this may be a great option because this will help me save money, but let's just hope I can do it. So I have took the liberty of ordering like literally everything that I thought I would need, and everything has arrived. So I'm so excited to get my hands together because sis, what is this? What is this? Okay. Ratchet. Okay, so needless to say, I've been hiding my hands, but all hope is not lost. Okay, we're gonna fix this, hopefully. Let's hope. So I'm going to fill these. So this is not a tutorial, you guys. I am not a professional. I am not. Y'all hear me? I'm saying it. I'm not a professional. So do not come for me, sis. Do not come for me in the comments telling me what I did wrong, what I should have did. I should have did this first. I should have used this product. I am not a professional, sis. I am a do-it-yourselfer. Is that a word? It is today. I'm a do-it-yourselfer, okay? I'm cheap and I need my nails done. So this is my last resort. So let's get to it. So first, I just want to show you guys all of the products that I have purchased. It is a lot, but I'm going to go through it really quickly. I got this nail liquid from Valentino Pure. I got some different types of acrylics. This one's crystal clear. This one is super white. This one is pretty as pink. And this one is classic nude. So those are my acrylics. I got a nail prep dehydrator. I got Super Bond. And those are all from the same place. That's all I got from there. And then I got a nail acrylic applicator brush. I got this from eBay, I believe. And I will link everything in the description box if you guys are interested in these products. I got a cuticle softener and remover. I think that was from eBay. I got some top gel coat and some base gel coat. I got this a while ago, so I'll try to find a link to it. I don't remember where I got it, but I'm pretty sure you can Google it if I can't find a link for it. I just got some nail glue. You can get this at your local Dollar Tree. I have a gel light from Madam Glam. I'll link that down below. I have some nail files and buffers. You can get these a lot of times from the Dollar Tree as well. I have another nail file. I have a cuticle pusher and cuticle nipper. And sometimes you can find these in the dollar store. They might not be as good quality, but you can find them at Target, Walmart. You can find them on Amazon. Just pretty much anywhere. Now I got this from the Dollar Tree, and it's just like a little holder, a little glass holder that I'm gonna put the liquid in. Now here I got this from melodysusie.com. These are the nail bits. These are what I'll be using to prep my natural nail, and I also got a nail drill from there. They usually give the Melody Susie nail drill, but they also have a brand called AirC, and they randomly send you either the Melody one or the AirC one, and they sent me the AirC. I don't really care as long as it works. And I also got some nail tips so I can replace these missing nails and change my nails how I want to as I go. So I'm going to get started. So yes, pray for me, you guys. Pray for me. So here are my nails up close and personal. As you guys see, there is much work to do. So let's get to it. So again, I want to stress you guys, this is not a tutorial. This is what I did. So I used a standard nail bit to remove the color from my nails, and from experience, this is just the standard nail bit, but I learned that the sanding nail bit takes off the color way quicker. So I next time will use the sanding bit. I used the regular one first, but later just started experimenting, and the sanding bit worked so much quicker. So I'm just taking that color off. So I finished taking off all of the color, and now it is time to smooth out the fill-in line. So this is the sanding bit I was telling you guys about. It's just way better to take off color, but now I am getting down that acrylic that has grown out. I was trying to make this even with my natural nails, so that's what I'm doing with that. Next, I took this pointy nail bit and just got the dead skin from around and kind of underneath my cuticle. I made sure I did this so I wouldn't have any problems with lifting. So then it was time to clean up the shape of my nails as well as replace the broken nails. So I'm just going in with this file that I got from Dollar Tree and just cleaning up the sides of those nails. Now to replace those missing nails, I'm just grabbing the one that fits my nail bed and gluing that down with the nail glue that I got from the Dollar Tree. And since I have stiletto nails, I took my scissors and cut them in the stiletto shape. So now I am filing up those nails, making sure they're nice and clean and match my other nails, and then I'll be ready to start on my fill-in. And I just went in with the sanding bit to make sure that I even out that line of demarcation. So I cleaned off my nails, and now it is time to do the fill. So I am starting off with the nail prep dehydrator, and then I am also going to apply the super bond. So I have already prepared my monomer, which is the acrylic liquid, and I've gotten the crystal clear acrylic, and I am going in with my Kavinsky, I think it's Kavinsky or Kalinsky brush, and just flattening that out. Now you guys, I'm showing you me doing my right hand, so I am right-handed, so I just took my time. And it was not hard at all. I just took my time, had a lot of patience, went super slow, and I literally did exactly what the nail techs do in the salons. So this is doable. You just have to take your time, be confident, leave a little bit of space around the cuticle because you don't want to fill it in too much, and that's really it. And you can see as you're applying the acrylic where you need more acrylic. You can see it as you're building up the nails, so it's not as hard to tell. You just want to make sure that the acrylic is not getting on the skin. So that's why I'm side swiping the nail. But yes, you guys, this is doable. You can do it, girl. Like, you don't have to be ratchet for the next few months because you don't have a nail tech and you don't have to pay these super expensive home visits. You can do this. And just so you guys know, yes, take your time, but you do have to move quick with the acrylic because it will harden on you. So just place it where it needs to be and kind of move quick with applying it and pulling that acrylic down where you need it to go. So take your time, but yes, move, girl. So after filling the rest of my nails, I went in with that nail file and cleaned up my nails. Now this helps if you have gotten that acrylic on the sides a little bit too far. And then I went in and drilled the cuticle line. Now you guys, this is probably the most nerve-wracking part, but it has to be done because if you do not get down that acrylic around your cuticle, water can get underneath. You can get a nail fungus. So my advice, take your time, go super slow, go as slow as you feel that you need to, but this is a necessary step. I just went super slow, so I didn't nick myself at all. I went super slow. This took me hours, you guys, but this was my first time, so of course you'll get faster as you go, but you want to smooth out that cuticle line and the rest of your nail. And then I went in and cleaned up my nails and buffed them out with that buffer. And I really enjoyed the buffing part because it really gets that nail smooth and it allows you to see if your nail is not smooth, if you need to go back in with that sanding bit and kind of get that nail more smooth. So this was probably one of my favorite parts. So here is my finished fill-in, you guys. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. I did an excellent job, but of course now I need to paint these nails. So I did wash my hands, no soap, because they always tell you no soap. I'm not sure why, but I washed them with just plain water. And so now I'm using my base top gel coat. So I'm cleaning my nails with alcohol just to make sure there's, no oil, no dirt, anything on my nails. And then I was sent this gel lamp from Madam Glam, and the polish is also from there, but I'm going in with that base gel coat and I'm just painting my nails with that, and then I'm going to cure that. And this lamp is for about 30 seconds, so you cure it for about a minute and a half. Now as I'm going in with the color, I did go back and clean up any color that got on my skin with my brush. So I just used my fingernail polish remover and just cleaned up any polish that was leaking on the side, and then my nails were finished. And here are my finished nails, you guys. This is my first time doing my own acrylic nails. This is a fill/repair, but I think I did a really great job, and I hope I inspired some of you guys to try it. You can do it, you guys. I'm not professionally trained. I just watched a lot of YouTube videos and went for it. So just know that this is an option if pop-on nails aren't for you. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one.